Here's how to customize your profile. You can click the individual pencil icons to edit your profile picture, your name, your location, and your description. For your profile picture, I highly recommend uploading a logo or a professional photo of yourself. Your name is going to be your display name, and your username controls your public link. This is your location, and then your description here, which describes exactly what you're offering and what people can expect from your services. You want your profile to reflect your brand personality, so we allow for full customization here. So you can click on Customize up here, and then you can select Customize Profile Color. If you already have a specific brand hex code for your color, you can enter that here. Otherwise, you can move the cursor around to find a color that works best for you. Once you've found the color that you like, select Apply Color. This color is going to apply to buttons, links, and other accent colors on your profile page. Next, you can add profile content. This is photos and videos that you can add to your profile. So select Add Content. And this is really where your profile is going to come to life visually. High quality images and short videos are going to help you create client trust. So you can upload up to 6 images or videos that accurately represent you and your brand. For images, we recommend 1600 by 900 pixels. You can also drag the photos to reorder them based on what you want clients to see first. If you're uploading a video, this has to be an MP4 format, no longer than 30 seconds and max size of 50 megabytes. And that's it. Now you've customized the key elements of your Bookme profile.